GR Nation, so today we're gonna react to Namp Hurricane. I know I haven't been uploading anything since last week because I needed a break a little bit because I'm a little bit overwhelmed and burnt out by a lot of things lately that I cannot say here. But anyways, since I'm back, we're gonna keep up, see what I missed so far. So it's been a week, so can't wait to see this. Here we go. Namp Hurricane. My God, phone. Hurricane. Ooh. Hmm. Ooh. Visual still. Hmm. Ooh. Let's go. Okay. Yeah. Hmm. Goodness. Yeah. Hmm. Ooh. Yeah. Okay. Hmm. Ooh. The vibe it has, though. Eh? Let's go. Huh? Hmm? It's so talented. Yeah. Yeah. Hmm? Ooh. Oh, wow. That's so pretty. Eh? I like the vibe it has. No refills? Yeah. Huh? I like the vibe it has. Huh? Ooh. Yeah. Huh? Ooh. Okay, I like the vibe it has. Alright guys, reaction to Namp Hurricane. Alright guys, so watch I see how this is good. If you guys reaction, want to subscribe. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the next one.